In this exercise, the one hand goes above the head and the other hand goes down in front of the thigh. The center of the palm must be over a point between the ears and in line with the nose. So here. The other hand is in front of the thigh, not behind or next to the thigh. So we have this hand comes up, this one goes down and sink. Hold it for a few seconds and change. Breathe in, push up, push down, hold it for a few seconds and change. Just bring your head, yes, and then this hand slightly over. So the center of the palm is over the center of the skull. In this hand, don't lock the elbow, bring the hand up and this slightly in front into the side of the thigh. Change. Yes, good. One more. Okay, good.